Ever wonder why it is hard to retrieve memories when you need them most? Let's look at the story of Lisa, a student who will study for an exam. Lisa studied every night, but on the day of the test, she stared at the questions and she tried to recall facts without any help and came up blank. We've all been there. This happens when your brain struggles to pull up information on its own. Then she spotted a word in one of the questions that looked familiar. In a flash, she remembered everything about the topic. This is recognition, when a small clue sparks your memory. Think of it like you find a missed puzzle piece that makes the whole picture clear. Lisa also noticed that she remembered best when she studied in the same place where she learned the material. This is context-dependent memory. It's like when you forget why you walked into a room, but when you walk back to where you started, and it helps you remember. The place you are in can bring back memories. When Lisa was in a good mood, she remembered happy moments with her friends. This is mood-congruent memory. Just like how when you hear a sad song, it might remind you of a rainy day. Your emotions connect with similar memories. One evening, Lisa drank mint tea while she studied. Later, when she drank that same tea before the test, it helped her recall what she studied. This is state-dependent memory. Your body remembers how it felt when you learned and brings the memory back when you're in the same state. It's like when a smell or taste brings back a childhood memory. Lisa also began using retrieval practice. She tested herself each day instead of just reread her notes. This made a difference. The more you practice to recall information, the stronger those memories become. It's like you exercise a muscle. The more you use it, the better it works. Lisa found that when she repeated tests, her memory improved over time. This is called the testing effect. When she thought about how she learned, Lisa used metacognition. She asked herself, how do I best remember things? And adjusted her study to match. You know what you need to do. You are the coach of your own brain. In the end, Lisa cracked the mystery of how to retrieve memories because she learned how her memory worked. Next time you're stuck when you try to remember, try Lisa's strategies, whether it's retrieval practice to connect the information to where you learned it, or even a smell or a song to trigger your recall. You might be surprised by what comes back to you, right when you need it most.